Hello guys, welcome in this video. Today our topic is introduction to data types and data sizes in assembly language that we will use further in our upcoming videos while doing coding on Visual Studio. So let's begin our proper lecture 6, that is about introduction to data types and data sizes in assembly language. So we have following data types. First one is integer data type. We use to represent int in assembly language, and we use call write int to display integer value on our screen. And after that we are having character data type. Character data type is used to display character on screen, and then string data type. String data type is used to display string on screen, and character data type is used char keyword, that is we can use call write char to display it on screen, and string data type call write string to display it on screen. And we are having now different sizes in assembly language. The first one is byte, that is a 4-bit, then word 8-bit, and then double word, that is db, after that so on. So these are the data types and data sizes in assembly language that can be used. So here is today our lecture 6. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.